Hello guys, so in this short video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram direct messages not loading. So there is two ways to fix it. So the first way is you have to go to settings and then go to the apps and go to apps manager and then wait a few seconds. Now here all what you have to do is scroll down until you find Instagram like this, click on it, and here on this page all what you have to do is very simple. Just wait a few seconds, it will start computing the storage. Click on it, click here on clear data and clear cache, then go back, click on force stop, and after that all what you have to do is go to the data usage, scroll down, make sure to enable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data and also the background data and the roaming data. And that's it for the first way. If it didn't work for you, then all what you have to do is go to Play Store and search for Instagram like this. After you search for it, now here click on update. And yeah, that's it guys, very easy and simple. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end.